what's up, everybody? It's your boy, NAPPIE.
Guys, as I told you, we are right here, Lakeside. This is Star Properties, and is this Wodemaya mansion or what? Because I was so confused.
this is Wodemaya $1 million mansion. Yeah, I'm a millionaire now. I talk in dollars. Sorry, yo.
I beg, this guy has been saying that we shouldn't price anything in dollars, but he's just saying he's spending dollars.
You know, since I hit $1 million, Wodemaya has changed.
Okay.
You know, it's so funny that people think oh, you've made it, now you're arrogant. Yeah, hey, no. See, I'm still take the camera down, bro. do you think I have $1 million to buy this house? A big shout out to Star Property for making this dream come true. I've always wanted to support content creators. Like I don't even have to say about this, but I think most of you have seen the way I support YouTubers and all of that. And my journey has been a very touching one. And you know, it was a struggle becoming a YouTuber, by the way. So I just felt like I don't want people to struggle just the way I struggled, man. So let's just make people's dreams come true. I partnered with Star Property, and yeah, they gave me this, and in an exchange of we advertising their land for them. So please, if you're watching this video and you have so much money, do me a favor. The numbers will be on the screen. Buy one land to support this project. This is a year. We have this for a year, and after a year,
the whole land should go.
I will build my own for real. I'll build $10 million studio for you all.
So one thing that I've noticed is you are not a studio type of vlogger. Like
not at all. Not at all.
You are always on the move.
Yeah.
Why did you go for this?
Like I said, I just had to support people. I just had to help content creators who are starting up. Some of them, they start up, they just want to sit in their rooms and talk, right? With a background. And even some of us, when we start, it's not always about a background. It's about what you see behind you. So the whole house is like, it has a feeling of content creation. Right. See, Star Property has a garden right there. You can be in the garden and shoot. It can also be out here. You see?
Yeah. You guys can see for yourself. It's a nice
space.
background.
You can still be here and shoot, man. So basically, that's it. You can even be at the poolside too and shoot. So it has a feeling of content creation vibes. Yeah, but personally, I'm always out of the country, just moving around, traveling and making videos. So this place is not for me, it's actually for you.
So literally you got this place for all content creators who are coming up and those who are already up there.
No, this place was given to me as a house to stay in.
Yeah, I'm so
you understand?
So you are giving it out to
I am giving it out. So this
wow.
See, this guy, right? It's good that he came here so that you understand what I'm saying, because maybe people don't understand what's happening. This guy is the marketing manager for Star Property. Okay. And he said, Maya, I think you deserve $1 million house. And then he said, you know what, I'm going to talk to my boss. Let's make this happen. And then he did all the magic. And then we had this whole unit. Wow. But this was supposed to be for Wodemaya to sleep in. Not for you and rest, because I'm tired of traveling. So they said, you know what, we got you. I mean, I can roam around everywhere just to sleep. But I just felt like I'm just one person. I just sleep one place and I'm gone.
He's gone, right?
Exactly. And I'm a minimalist guy. But somebody came here and I said, I'm a minimalist guy. I said, this is not minimalist. It's like, this is not minimalist, but it's more of giving back to the society. So if I have anyone to thank, is the marketing manager of Star Property.
All right. Thank you so much.
Viclo.
Oh, okay. Thank you so much.
F1.
Thank you. Thank you for coming down, bro. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Yeah, so we want to take a quick call. Yeah. And please, we want to say a big shout out and thank you to Mr. Viclo right here. He has really been awesome, to Wodemaya and the whole team here.
Tell them to buy the land. Tell them to buy the land. Buy the land.
Come buy the land.
Buy the land.
Stay by Wodemaya.
Yeah. All right. So welcome to the new creative hub. This is how the living room looks like. And do you want to go up or where do you want to go?
So yeah, you just start from the pool side and then we'll go up. We'll end up there.
This is the pool side. If you're a content creator like Culture Global who teaches people how to swim and you always have to go and pay people to use their pool, don't worry, don't pay them all. I got you. So come create your content right here and then yeah, take the final footage to the top, go edit it. We have internet, you can also upload from here, and all you need to do is to just go back home.
This is like a big opportunity for yourself to swim though, to learn how to swim.
Oh, I actually won Olympic medal for Ghana. Oh, you know?
Which Olympics?
You just
Beijing Olympics?
No, you just jump in. I will save you. You jump in and dive. Yeah, so you come up.
Yeah. Really done so well for all content creators here, and on behalf of them I want to say thank you.
This is how it's supposed to be. We should all support each other. That's what I stand for. And yeah, Kevin is working. Afro, hey, I don't know, all of you are Afro guys. Nanayo the Afro guy, Kevin the Afro man, and stickers.
Okay, since we have stickers here, we'll let him take over from the studio.
Please speak tree.
Alright, so thank you so much, Wodemaya.
Speak tree, bro. Ha!
Yeah.
I thought he's gonna take over so that he.
Yeah, I want to say thank you so much on behalf of all content creators in Ghana.
Okay.
And I want you to put a challenge for lazy people like me, sorry. Now we should create content for 30 days, you have something for us.
30 days.
Here.
If
30 days in a month.
I should sit down and create content for
us. So you have something for us.
Yeah.
I want you to give us a challenge and then a prize. If someone can be here and create content for good 30 days, so that someone will come here and be like, I want to buy a land because of this person.
So you are saying that I should throw a challenge that to all content creators?
Yes.
You should come here for 30 days straight.
Yes.
You come create 30 videos.
Yes.
In a month.
In a month.
Okay. Okay, you know what? I'm throwing a challenge to all YouTubers out there. Just walking in here. We have 30 days challenge. And come create your content. And if you're able to create 30 videos in 30 days, please. I don't have money now, so I don't know what to say. But yeah,
all right.
Let's put $500 on.
Okay.
No, not $500. A runway ticket by Africa to the world to any destination in Ghana that you of your choice.
All right.
Let's do it that way.
Okay,
Runway
awesome.
ticket.
Yeah.
Thank you, and your hotel too is paid for.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Really appreciate
Let
that.
Stickers take you around.
Yeah, so
Make sure he speaks English, not true.
So Stickers is here. He is in charge of the studio, and he works for Wodemaya as an editor and a videographer. So he's going to do that here right now for us. Yes. So, all right. So we have Stickers here. He is in charge of the studio, and I see two gentlemen here doing their own work. And then yeah, so Stickers is going to talk a little about the studio because he is also not the type of sit down and edit people. He's always roaming around. When he carries his laptop, he sit under a tree, sit anywhere and edit. But this time he has a whole studio for himself here. So Stickers, how is it like having a studio?
Okay, first of all, I know a lot of people don't know me because I'm always behind the scene. But my real name is Steven, and people know me to be Stickers. And I've been working with Wodemaya for quite some time. So right now, Wodemaya decided to create this creative hub for all content creators in Ghana, and it's not only in Ghana. Even if you are not from Ghana and you visit Ghana, you can pass through and create whatever you want to create, and you live. So in this studio we have the hall. I guess you pass through the hall.
Yeah.
You have the hall, and when you come up, we have the studio here, and we have 2 bedrooms for anyone who wants to pass by. So this studio, I have my colleagues with me who are also filmmakers, and they also edit the videos too.
Hello.
This one is Kelvin.
How you guys doing?
Yeah, so Kelvin is a filmmaker and an editor and a director too.
All right, Kelvin, what's your Instagram?
Yeah, at lifeincolor_.
All right.
Color with the K.
Okay. All right. So I'll put it down in the description and also on the screen for you guys to see. And we have our very own.
Oh guys, Charlie, me, I don't like play. Alright, so my name is Nanaya Shy Boy. I'm everywhere, like literally everywhere. Nanaya Shy
Okay,
Boy.
so Nanaya Shy Boy is also a filmmaker and an editor at the same time. So you should go check him out.
All right. Now, Shy Boy everywhere on social media. So yeah, right.
Okay, so let me tell you, when you pass through this place, it's you create, you edit, and yeah. You want us to sit down? Oh, I should sit down. Then you want to sit down too?
So that we can do
Yeah,
it like that.
so that you put it on this one.